Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can see hidden songs in Spotify. So firstly, open up your Spotify. Then I will go to library. And now if I open up a playlist that I created, which I created, for example the downloads, and if I click on any music, so as you can see there is no option for hiding the song because you can only hide songs on the playlist which are created by Spotify itself. Let me show you. So if I go back to my home page and open up a playlist which is created by Spotify, for example this one. So if I play any music from here, let's say for example if I play Control, and then if I open up the music from bottom here, then click on the three dots icon at the top right, and there you will find the option hide this song. So if you click this icon, the song will be hidden. And now what you have to do to unhide the song is just simply go back to the playlist and just click on the white symbol that appeared on the music. Just click on that and the music will be unhidden. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.